Okay, here is how you remove mirror covers on these BMWs. In my case, as example, I have a 4-door E90 LCI model. Okay, this glossy black part is the mirror itself, and this body colored part is the cover. So there is nothing magical about removing it. You have to really just pull it off. There is a ridge on the bottom of the cover, and you just start to gently pull it forward. And then you start hearing these clicks. And it just comes off. There is no screws or anything else holding it in place. It's all tabs. There is an alignment pin, and there is another alignment tab on the bottom, and that's pretty much it. There is an alignment hole in the body of the mirror itself. It's all cast aluminum alloy. Here we have those clips that hold on to, actually grab onto these tabs. And to reinstall this, you basically just line things up, starting with that pin, or actually the bottom, and then just push it back on until it sits in place completely. Really simple, easy and simple. And that's how you remove this mirror cover on these BMWs.